Just a few days ago, we broke the news that Samsung is seriously thinking about launching a new smartwatch with a squarer screen. Now fresh rumors are surfacing about the Galaxy Watch 7 series, hinting at a potential surprise if the information turns out to be accurate. It seems like there might be a new variant and a brand new processor in the works. According to a tipster, the Galaxy Watch 7 is rumored to come in 3 variants: Classic, Pro, and one more mysterious option. The new variant could sport the squarer screen design we previously mentioned. If these rumors hold true, it would mark the first time Samsung releases 3 versions of the Galaxy Watch. Another rumor from Tipster, the Galak, suggests that the Exynos W940 chip, likely to power the Galaxy Watch 7 series, could be 50% more power efficient than the 930 found in the Galaxy Watch 6. Additionally, the upcoming Exynos chip for wearables is said to be 30% faster than its predecessor. This boost in performance could help the Galaxy Watch 7 better compete with rivals like the OnePlus Watch 2, Pixel Watch 2, and Xiaomi Watch 2, all of which utilize a 4nm Snapdragon Wear chip from Qualcomm. As for the speculated third variant, there have been talks since October that Samsung might be working on a Watch 7 Ultra. This Ultra model could potentially complement or replace the Watch 7 Pro, and it may feature a cutting-edge micro-LED display. Such a display promises a superior color experience, boasting enhanced contrast, brightness, and energy efficiency compared to traditional LED displays. While it's still early to confirm details like these, the rumors do seem to align with other reports circulating. In any case, the wait won't be too long, as the Galaxy Watch 7 is anticipated to make its debut in July alongside the Galaxy Ring and new foldable devices. So, what are your expectations from upcoming third variant of the Galaxy Watch 7 from Samsung? Share it down below in the comment section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.